Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Whitehouse Beach Club in Westmoreland and we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. Now as you can see, these units we're looking at, they're not finished and no work has been done on them in some months, even before the hurricane passed through this area. It seems as if work has stopped on the construction of this development, the Whitehouse Beach Club. Now, some units are finished and people have moved in and are living there or they're renting them out, they're operational. But some units, like what we're looking at now, they're just stalled. No more work being done at this development. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening here. And this doesn't have to do directly with the hurricane because the work had slowed down or stopped before the passage of the hurricane. The Whitehouse Beach Club development in Whitehouse was planned as a luxury beachfront community with villas, townhouses, and resort-style amenities. It aimed to attract both local and overseas buyers seeking a high-end coastal lifestyle. However, construction has slowed or stopped with some buildings left unfinished. Delays appear to be linked to financial challenges, construction issues, and legal disputes with buyers over incomplete or substandard units. These problems have affected progress and investor confidence. Today, the project remains partially completed with an uncertain future. While the location and concept are still attractive, future development depends on resolving these issues and securing renewed investment. Alright guys, let us know what you think.